Ka-inspire relation and communications, ryngkat ka jingtreilang ka Meghalaya Aids Control Society, bat ka National AIDS Control Organization, kan sa Pynlong ka Red Ribbon Superstar Meghalaya Icon, kum kadakman ay jingtip siya ki paidbah, Halor ka Jingpang Hiv AIDS. Haba kren siya kilat pathai khubor, nongpyniaid iathuh, Pynlong ka Audition hakalay po tarik Naiwieng hajar pulay, ha community hall Wahingdoh, bat sa pynbud sa ka final, tarik Nohprah hajar pulay, madan Polo, bat kiba job, kinyo ban khur ka pisa kaba points sanlak tyngka.
So we are actually a group, Inspire Relations and Auditions, along with Meghalaya Aids Control Society. We like to present and even we call it the multimedia Red Ribbon Superstar icon. And this event is actually a rock band music contest that we have been organizing for the last 12 years. So this will be the 12th edition of the Meghalaya Icon. And this event will be held, the audition will be held on the 30th of this November at Community Hall, Wahingdoh, Shillong. And the grand finale will be held at Polo ground on the 1st of December. So that is the event, and this event actually is a program which is actually jointly organized by Inspire Relations and Meghalaya Aids Control Society to capitalize the music scene here in Meghalaya to actually promote HIV and AIDS awareness. So this multimedia campaign that we are organizing, we are trying to bring in the message that the message on HIV and AIDS awareness, and that people should be safe from HIV. Okay, should be safe from HIV. At the same time, we're trying to also promote young talents so that they also get a platform, and through the music, we can actually impart the knowledge and awareness on HIV/AIDS. So I would like to hand over audition. So 7 bands will be actually selected to actually proceed to the finals, to the grand finale, and the participants will be from Meghalaya itself. It will be open only for bands from Meghalaya, and the whole process of actually selecting the bands also will be based on they have to actually compose an HIV and AIDS theme song. That's actually compulsory, and all the bands have to have a song on HIV and AIDS. Also at the same time, all the bands who actually register for the event, they have to actually go for compulsory counseling and testing at the ICTC centers that actually is present at the government hospitals. So this is actually the part that we want to promote the youth through music to actually go and get themselves tested for HIV, and also at the same time this will help break the stigma and the discrimination that perhaps they might be thinking or maybe they might be facing. So also at the same time, we also encouraging actually everyone to also go for the counseling and testing. So as part of this whole multimedia campaign, we also have a list of other varieties and performances that we are actually conducting during this particular event. We also have live music that will be performed by Lily Sawian as guest artist, and also we have a performance by DJ Brian. And of course, we have also other artists as well, including the bells. So this will actually add to the
Meghalaya Aids Control Society, Nohprah. So this time around, we collaborate with Inspire Relations kepada event management firm kepada manage program ini. Tambahkan lagi program ini ini selok tilang because we're talking about HIV, AIDS, and drug abuse. So it comes into relation, but for our colleague.
So yeah, I think there's also a state network of positive people here in Meghalaya. This actually is a group, or is you can call it a group where people who are infected or affected by HIV/AIDS, they are part of this group. So one of the core objectives of this particular program is that we want to actually bring communities together to voice out, especially about stigma and discrimination against those people who are actually living with HIV. So even this MSLD, as we call it, they are also part of this particular event, where through them they will actually impart and sensitize the band members first, then sensitize the audience that actually present on that day, and of course through various platforms through the media, where we can sensitize a lot of people, so that these people who actually who faces stigma and discrimination, they don't have actually a better chance actually to come forward and to speak out, especially about the issues that they are facing, because many issues that concerning HIV/AIDS, a lot of people they don't speak out because they feel that there is actually stigma and discrimination associated with it. So of course there are other societies as well who can actually come forward. Actually, we are calling societies and other civil societies to actually come forward to lend the support, especially for this awareness program. Not even the societies, because we have also went to the colleges, and even colleges showed a very promising, actually showed a hope that they also care about the students, about the students. So yes, colleges are actually involved, and there are also other societies that are actually involved in spreading the awareness of HIV/AIDS.